Hello guys, what's up? So Snapchat face filters are really interesting and these are very popular these days. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get this color eye filters in Snapchat. So let's go to filters. I have already have them. So let's see. These are like really real and they goes good with your movement. See your movements. So these are the color eyes. So if you want these filters, you have to go to community lenses. I have I have already subscribed this Nasser Hossein. This is our list. Here you can see all these lenses. You can try them from here. So this is it. So this is it guys. Likewise you can go to community lenses and you can find her and you can use these lenses. And in my description I'll give the links for this color eyes also. You can take from there also. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.